नोवा ग्लोबल फैशन एंड डिज़ाइन वीक 3 दिवसीय चल रहे नोएडा के मारवा स्टूडियो में दूसरे दिन का तीसरा सत्र शानदार हुआ। दीप प्रज्वलन के साथ कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत की गई। इस दौरान कार्यक्रम में डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा, चांसलर AFT इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मीडिया एंड आर्ट्स एंड प्रेसिडेंट ICMI रिया जेटली, अन्या दुबे, वैभव भार्गव सेफ, गौतम कुमार सेफ, सुमित पंत सेफ मौजूद रहे। फैशन शो में अलग अलग देशों की संस्कृति से प्रभावित परिधानों को खूबसूरत तरीके से पेश किया, जिसमें कंबोडिया, मलेशिया, उज्बेकिस्तान, अफगानिस्तान, यूनाइटेड किंगडम, इंडिया आदि देशों की खूबसूरती को फैशन शो में दिखाया गया। बता दें कि मॉडल्स ने रैंप पर अपनी खूबसूरती और टैलेंट का जलवा बिखेरा और सबका ध्यान आकर्षित कर लिया। कार्यक्रम में मौजूदा अतिथिगण द्वारा कॉफ़ी टेबल बुक लॉन्च किया गया। डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा ने सभी लोगों का शुक्रिया अदा किया और कहा कि कल भौगोलिक परिस्थिति एवं संस्कृति को परिभाषित करते हुए अपने व्यक्तित्व की रचनात्मकता और सकारात्मकता को प्रदर्शित करना ही फैशन है, क्योंकि फैशन एक आर्ट है। कार्यक्रम के दूसरे हॉल में AFT स्कूल ऑफ इंटीरियर डिज़ाइन के स्टूडेंट्स द्वारा फर्नीचर एग्जीबिशन लगाया गया, जिसमें इजिप्ट, अफ्रीका, पेरू, अमेरिका, वियतनाम, मोरक्को, सर्बिया, घाना, इटली आदि देशों से प्रेरणा लेकर खूबसूरत प्रदर्शनी लगाई गई। कार्यक्रम में उपस्थित अतिथिगण को डॉक्टर संदीप मारवा द्वारा फेस्टिवल मोमेंटो देकर सम्मानित किया गया।
Show. This is Simi Bhasin and I support women talent and I support women entrepreneurs. We have a community, Women Who Win, and yes, the talent here is amazing. The young talent, what I see here is outstanding. Some of the designers were awesome. We would like to pick up and take and showcase their products and their range to our platform too. And
Hi, this is Anuj Lalwani, celebrity fashion stylist and designer. It's my honor and pleasure to be here again to this wonderful fashion show and the fashion week. Well, it's amazing what the college is doing. We have fabulous talent which has been nurtured by Sandeep Marwaji, and not just that, the show was fabulous. Not just fabulous, I think every theme and collection was well thought. The garments were very good, right from the inspiration to the mood boards to storyboards to the final collection and to the final sketch to the final show. The presentation was too good.
And I am the second runner-up of the VC Queen of India 2024, also a model. I have experienced a great pleasure here, and the designers were great and the outfits were superb. I personally feel purchasing some of the outfits, especially I liked the outfit by Nikita that was from Malaysia, I guess.
Had a very beautiful artists here, especially their fashion designers. Their work was awesome, and the makeup artists, all of the makeups was wonderful, plus the designs and
a business coach. And I'm so honored to be here, invited as a guest of honor, because I could witness the beautiful and amazing hard work that goes into such amazing designs these students are putting into their work. I was so glad I could see, from having those small elements that they're putting into the show, from the music to really intricate details where people are getting entertained as well while they're watching it. It was so amazing to watch it. So congratulations to all the students and thank you so much for inviting me here.
Happy, I'm very excited. Second day, third show just finished, and the kind of appreciation, the kind of excitement I have seen in the auditorium, I think it's hard to believe and very difficult to express in words. My guests from all over India and abroad, they went around both the auditoriums, D and E, where 125 different furniture pieces designed by the student of AFT, they are being displayed there, and every piece is speaking about one or other country, their culture and our relationship with those countries. In the same manner, when I talk about the fashion show, even the 6th session of this festival, of this fashion week, displayed quite a number of, around 9 rounds were there, and there were around 70-80 garments which we have displayed, covering almost 9 different countries. I think super, I can only say marvelous. I can say they are excellent and out of the world. I have no word to express myself. The quality of work this time students have shown in all the disciplines, whether it's interior designing or whether it is the fashion garments.